चैनल। हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन फॉर डाटा साइंस सीरीज, जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं ऑपरेटर्स इन पाइथन। इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव सीन two operator, which is arithmetic and comparison operator in Python. Now we'll see assignment operator and logical operator in Python. So first see what is the assignment operator. So it used to assign the value to the variable with or without performing. Suppose I'm taking a is a 10, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and I'll perform assignment operation, which is a plus equal to b, addition of two numbers, which is equivalent to like a equal to a plus b. So it will add the it will do the addition between a and b and store result in the a variable. This a plus equal to b is same like a equal to a plus b, and when I'm print b, then we'll get 30. Same like we can do the subtraction. So I want to subtract, okay, because here now our a variable is having 30, so 20 minus 30 equal to minus 10, we'll get a minus 10 result. Multiply with the multiplication, division and pro division. Suppose I want to multiply a with b equal to b, which is equivalent to a equal to a into b, and when I'll print a, we'll get the result minus 300. Here we get the minus result in minus because it will consider the last b value, which is minus 10 into 30, which is minus 300. So this is how we can assign the operator to that particular variable. So now we'll see the logical operator. So is used to combine the conditional test statement. So it will return the result based on that condition. So here are three logical operator, which is logical and, logical or, and logical not operator. So let's see the table. So we have a and b variable, and here are the entry, which is first one true, false, false, true, false, true, false. And when we false, and I want to perform logical and operation between these two variable and equal to false, and I want to get the result, I want to use a logical and operator in this two variable, then a and b. The result will be, suppose I want to know the result, so print result, which is false, because here true, our a is true and b is false, so we'll get a result false. In the logical and operator, when both conditions are true, then we'll get only true result, otherwise we'll get a false result. And if with the same example, I'll use a or, logical or operator. Suppose I'm passing or operator equal to a or b, and print or operator, then we'll get true, because here our one condition true, and what we seen here in the logical or operator, if there is at least one condition it's true, then we'll get result true, and only when both conditions are false, then we'll get the result false in the logical or operator. So here our one condition is true and other condition is false, that's why we get the logical or operator, which is true. Now we'll see not of a, we'll get a false because our a is the result is true. So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll see another operator, which is bitwise operator and unary operator, identity operator and membership operator. So we'll meet in the next video with the remaining operator. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.